I need a stallion, needs to be on Megan. I need a scissor, cut her like paper. I need a cougar, waist at the taper. Yeah. I need a Georgia, need a Janae. I need Normani to come to my place. I want a Doja, cake by the pound. I need a Lizzo to put that shit down. I need a Ari, let me serenade. Walking out of summer, so far.
What's up, TrueeBeautyy Fam, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got from these baby hands to these bad bitty fingers right here. So today I'm going to be using the Astound Beauty Polygel Nail Kit. It is available on Amazon, and I'm just going to show you guys what you get in the kit. So it comes with a instruction manual, so that way you know how to use the polygel and dual forms and etc. It also comes with a business card. You get 6 polygel colors, the dual forms obviously. You get a dual-sided brush and spatula, and you also get the top coat, base coat, and a UV lamp. I'm not going to be using the UV lamp that was provided because I already have one. My mom bought me one from Amazon, so I will make sure to link that down below as well. And I forgot to mention this, but the colors include soft pink, rosy pink, apricot, coral pink, and then you get two color shifting polygels. And here I am showing you the base coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the top coat. I also forgot to mention that you get a nail file in the kit too. I didn't use the nail file that was provided because I have a whole bunch laying around my house, so I figured why not use that, and it worked just fine for me. You don't have to use what's provided, but if you want to, that's completely up to you. Okay, so now we're going to do some nail prep, and I'm just using a nail drill that I already had. I got it from, I think, Rite Aid when they were Rite Aid. Now they're at Walgreens, but I got it from there, but you can definitely find some on Amazon. They're pretty affordable. They're not badly priced, whether you want a portable e-file or like a standard one that you sit on the desk. And I'm just using that for my cuticles. I did go in after with a cuticle pusher just in case I needed to, and I smoothed the surface of my nail as well, just to get rid of any unevenness that I might have had from a previous nail set. And I'm really taking my time with this because, one, I am not a professional. I haven't gotten my nails done in a really long time, since quarantine started, and you know, businesses had to close and everything. So I just wanted to try something that would be fairly easy. And as I said, I'm not a professional. This drill doesn't go that hard, like, honestly. So I didn't hurt myself, but I did go slow and take my time so that I wouldn't hurt myself, because I'm just that clumsy. And yeah, so this was a learning process for me, as it might be for somebody else who's watching this video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and remove any dead skin that may be on or around my nail bed. Well, not on my nail bed. Whoa, that's weird. Just around my nail bed. I don't know why I said on. But, yeah, as I said, I'm not a professional, but I was careful. I didn't try and rush anything, even though this video isn't fast forward. Um, as you guys saw in the initial shot, I did take my time. I didn't try and rush anything because, you know, sometimes when you rush, you do hurt yourself. And yeah, I just really made sure to take my time, go slow. Like, as I said before, I'm in no way a professional. I'm really a beginner. I usually go and get my nails done. This is my first time ever doing any kind of nail extensions, I guess, or polygel, whatever. It's my first time doing it, especially on myself. So yeah. And yeah, if this is gonna be your first time doing something like this, definitely take your time. Taking your time is key. Don't rush. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna take some acetone just to remove any shine or anything else away from my nails. And I just want to mention, I know we're going through a lot right now, but if I can help somebody mentally, if you just want to escape reality for a quick second and you just need to relax your mind, like get off Twitter, get off Instagram, whatever, I just want to let you guys know that I'm here for you, and I hope that I can be just a little light in your lives. I know it's really a lot going on, and yeah. Okay, so here I am just measuring out my dual forms, and the next part of the video that you're gonna see, where you see me with gray sleeves and you don't see the marble symbol anymore, is because I filmed this on 2 different days. The first day when I was trying to film my right hand, girl, that was a mess. It was a whole mess. I definitely should have practiced before I decided to film, but I just wanted to show you guys that I am no professional. I'm really a beginner. But yeah, I did my base coat and then I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds, and then I went ahead and filled the dual forms up with the polygel, I guess liquid, would you call it that? And I'm going ahead and taking the polygel in the color soft pink. I thought this color was really pretty. It's very spring summer. It's also one of my favorite colors to put on my nails. And so I just dipped the brush in the slip solution that comes inside of the kit. I had a dapper dish from a Kiss press-on nail set, and it was just sitting there, so I decided to just, you know, use it. And I placed the dual form with the polygel onto my nail, and I cured it twice for 90 seconds, and then I checked underneath because underneath is still kind of wet. So I did go ahead and remove any excess that got onto my finger. I moved it away from my finger and where my nail will be growing, and then cured it again for another 90 seconds just to make sure that it wouldn't come off with the dual form, because I did have a problem with that on some of the dual forms where the polygel just came off with the dual form. And I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but I just want to make sure that I'm explaining myself very clearly and concise. And I did go ahead and cut it down, shape it, and then go ahead and put the top coat on top, and I cured that for 60 seconds. Here's me just, you know, curing underneath my nails after I had finished. I didn't even finish my whole hand yet. I went off camera and finished my whole hand, and my thumbnail came off, so I had to redo that. But the end result was very successful, and I'm really proud of myself for trying and doing my nails at home. It's not as easy as it looks, but I'm definitely glad that I tried it. And I'm really proud that I was able to shape them in the shape that I wanted them to. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up. I love y'all so much. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.